Okay, so then moving on to define a cloud strategy. So right fit cloud. So right fit cloud is all about understanding and selecting the right location for a specific workload, and this is based on the business requirements. So as you'll see from the slide, there are a number of benefits to each cloud platform. That's not to say necessarily that private cloud can't meet your growth and expansion requirements, or public cloud can't meet your compliance requirements. But really here we just wanted to highlight some of the typical use cases that there might be. So at CBS, we're developing a lot more or a larger number of strategies that now provide a hybrid or multi-cloud architecture. So we call this our right cloud, right workload approach, allowing the developed strategy to really deliver an optimal mix of functionality, security, cost, and flexibility. So obviously, it's just important to note that we understand no size fits all, but generally this strategy fits a large number of organizations. Another customer example would be we've got a company who's looking to expand the business nationally, but some of their key data is sensitive information is governed by data protection and privacy laws. So this really doesn't suit the data to sit in something like a public cloud. So they're looking to adopt a hybrid cloud approach whereby storing some of the sensitive data in a private cloud, where they have the strict security and compliance, and then using public cloud for technologies for modernizing applications that don't really have the same compliance requirements. Okay, so defining a strategy. So once you've really understood the business, the financial context, and the current state IT environment, you'll then move into defining your cloud strategy and what that's going to look like. So at this stage, you really want to be looking to identify suitable cloud models, whether that's going to be public, private, or hybrid, and then really taking into account the requirements for each workload, aligning them to the functionality, the security, flexibility, and cost requirements. You'll need to start doing a cost analysis at this point. So, to understand the potential costs, what's going to be involved, before you can then really design the future state architecture. At that point, then you'll be identifying the future state or target state that you're going to provide, and hopefully provide business value and business benefits. I just wanted to call out here as well. So, you may be undertaking a cloud strategy. Alternative strategies may include, do nothing or delay. At this point in time, when you're running through a strategy, it could be too costly to migrate to cloud. Maybe you need to delay to an appropriate budgets that are available, or maybe there's no cost benefit to moving a workload at all. Maybe finally, the business aren't ready to adopt a strategy at that point in time.